Stupid thing ate my hot pocket.
Just throw it away, it's useless.
Hey there, Charlie. Got that bare bat?
Yeah, I got the bare bat.
Well, you just hold it right there.
I gotta hold it right here.
So, we just told Tom to go out and spray paint a microwave and... Alright, so, yeah. Beautiful.
Intro time. So we have a lot planned for today. We're not gonna show you what's going on behind you because it's gonna be like a whole thing. Hey. No. What do you? We have a lot planned for today. It's gonna be really interesting. So stick around. See what happens. Stop being abusive to the microwave.
What? I can't believe I just did that. Soaking wet. I can't believe it. Bro! It is still microwaving. The inside is broken, but that's okay. Let's microwave some crap.
What should be our channel creed? What should we yell out?
Candi! Alright. Cut back when we're ready.
Did anybody order the tortilla? Here we are. This is the VHS tape that we destroyed. So,
The original one, not the one we wrapped him up with.
no. Smells like death on a Tuesday.
We microwave chalk. Smells like death on a Tuesday. Or weddings on Wednesday.
Well, Tom is in the dumpster.
Should I get closer?
No. Yeah, go ahead. Get in there, buddy. Just get on in there.
I'm not gonna get any more closer.
What? Alright, is nobody gonna mention how we just beat the ever-living tar out of this thing? And it is still running.
I call that super wave.
So, we're just microwaving the entire bag.
Few moments later.
Now we're gonna open. Oh! Okay, there's no way.
I only see one more course of action for this microwave. We'll cut to it in like 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh
Whoa!
my goodness!
Major League Chalk Ball.
No, yeah!
It's the wild microwave alone.
Alright, you get back here!
You know how all of this stuff gets done in like 10 minutes on our channel? Well, see, after we throw something, we have to walk down the ladder.
You cleaned it out.
I'll hold it for you.
Thank you.
We're done. Content!
How are you guys feeling about plugging this thing in?
I'm not plugging that in ever again.
Personally, I just think you'd die trying.
What would Alexa Singleton
You guys
say?
never let me do what I want to do.
Comment, what would you say, Alexis Singleton? A lot of stress right there.
One eternity later.
Explaining time.
All right, guys. As you can see, we got the JP 500 microwave here. Oh, that's supposed to happen. What? You do that. All right, but so these wires are supposed to be exposed like that, obviously.
Yep, that looks very needed.
Give me a heads up when you're gonna do it.
Like give you a head.
Yeah.
I'm out of heads.
I'm not here, you go.
Oh, thank you.
As you can see, we got the handicap parking down here. So, a pretty nice parking spot. It's kind of your average blue lines and sign. You have, what the heck?
Did that explode? It looks like it exploded.
It looks pretty exploded to me.
It looks pretty rough, my guy. Sorry, Tom, I gotta go.
Same though.
Also, I'm getting pretty hungry and I didn't bring any food, so that kind of sucks. Oh, right. That's right.
Actually, you do have hot pockets here.
Hot Pockets! So it's only raining extremely hard outside, and we gotta clean up our mess.
The rain's coming down, boys. That's cut.
12 seconds later.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share. Also, shout out to Alexis Singleton. She comments on every video, so don't forget to start commenting on every video. Maybe we'll shout out to you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Content. Candi!
Give us your money. Hold on, guys. I got his wallet. Oh, dang it. No, I thought I didn't know.
Well, then keep smacking it at him.